Hey coffee lovers, I'm Brielle. Welcome back to Rick's Review Hub. If you're on the hunt for a top-tier espresso machine to level up your home coffee game, you're in for a treat today. We're diving into the Diletta Alto Espresso Machine, a sleek pro-level machine that's turning heads. Stick around to see why this could be your next coffee obsession, and don't forget to check the link in the description for the best deal. Let's break down what makes the Diletta Alto special. First, it's a dual boiler machine, so you can brew espresso and steam milk at the same time, no waiting around. It's got a PID for precise temperature control, which means consistent shots every time. The adjustable OPV lets you tweak the pressure to dial in your perfect espresso. Plus, it has a built-in shot timer for nailing that 25-30 second pull. The stainless steel body isn't just durable, it looks stunning on any countertop. And with flow control in some models, you can experiment with different brew profiles like a true barista. Now let's talk pros. The dual boilers are a game changer for speed and efficiency, especially if you're making multiple drinks. The PID and shot timer make it easy to pull cafe-quality shots at home. It's also super quiet compared to other machines, which is great for early mornings. And that sleek design, it's a showstopper. On the flip side, there are a couple of cons. At around $2,600, it's a big investment, so it's not for casual coffee drinkers. Also, with only 19 units in stock for the stainless steel model, you'll need to act fast. And while it's user-friendly, beginners might need a little time to master all the features. So who's this for? If you're serious about espresso and want a machine that delivers pro-level results without taking up too much space, the Diletta Alto is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for home baristas who love experimenting and want cafe-quality drinks without leaving the kitchen. If you're just looking for a quick coffee fix, you might not need all this power, but for enthusiasts, it's worth every penny. Ready to upgrade your coffee setup? Head to the link in the description to grab the Diletta Alto at the best price through Rick's Review Hub. We've got special promotional pricing right now, so don't miss out. If you enjoyed this review, give us a like, share it with your coffee-loving friends, and hit that subscribe button for more reviews like this. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.